Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix to design a website. Wix provides an incredibly intuitive platform, making website creation accessible to everyone. You can begin by selecting from over 800 professionally designed templates, ensuring a great starting point. The powerful drag-and-drop editor then allows you to easily customize every element, bringing your vision to life without needing any coding knowledge. It's a straightforward process from start to finish. Once you have your template, the fun of customization begins. You can personalize your site by choosing from thousands of color palettes and hundreds of fonts to match your brand. Easily upload your own images, videos, and other media, or select from Wix's extensive media library. Remember to optimize your layout for both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience for all your visitors, no matter how they browse. Wix allows you to significantly enhance your website's functionality. Explore the Wix App Market, which offers over 300 powerful applications to add features like booking systems or forums. You can effortlessly create and manage engaging blog posts or set up a fully functional online store to sell products. Connecting your social media accounts is also simple, helping you expand your online presence and reach a wider audience. The final step is to publish your amazing new website. First, connect a custom domain name, giving your site a professional and memorable address. Take a moment to thoroughly review all your pages and content, ensuring everything looks perfect and functions as intended. Once you are completely satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your website will then be live and accessible to the world in just a few seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.